negative clamp. Went to check the connection, wiggle the wing nut, and the whole thing came loose. Now it's tightened down as much as possible, so it needs to be replaced. Sometimes they wear out. And this is probably the easiest repair job I've done in quite a while. I already loosened the wing nut. Remove the cable. It's tight all the way down and it's just wiggling, so that's trash. Got a replacement. Now it's got two nuts where I can connect that spade bit, connect it to the inner one so it's closer to the cable. Careful not to drop this nut. Slide the little plate out of the way. Now I'll insert, tighten down. I'll tighten that down a little further once I get it in place. And I'm going to flip this because that is not very convenient. Okay, that's much better. This cable, it's hitting, so I have to do a little adjusting real quick. Just want to change the angle. There we go. Screwdriver in there to keep that nut from that bolt from moving. Since I swapped sides, it no longer has the lip to contain it. Yeah, when you move your whole car, I think it's tight enough. And now to tighten the other nuts so this cable doesn't go anywhere. And you should always torque everything down. I'll do that after. To the right specs. Okay. Nice and tight. Whole car moves when you jiggle it. I think it's good to go.